Okay guys, so if you have a experience to how to fix or to save your money, much better you do this on your own to save your money if you have a experience in tailoring or without experience in tailoring. For me, this is my third cut to make a walking shirt for this summer. Okay, you can sell it in online, buy your own cuts, but I put 20 to 21 or 22 inch long from the hips. So let's do this now. This is how to cut your own pants to become a walking shirt. So from here, you can make 20 is enough. Okay, so for now, we mark from 1 to 20. Okay. So 20. Okay. So put 20. See which is sharp. Okay, so cut now. Okay, so this one you can keep this as long as you need someday. Okay, so it's 20 again. No good. No good. So straight there, straight there. So 20 again. From hips to here. clear. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. So I have a walking short now. Okay. Stretch. Not branded, but it's good. The important stretch. If you pull or hungry, no problem. So you can use a belt. So I have a walking short now. Okay. So that's it for now, guys. So if you want more tips, instead you throw or donate your pants. If it's short or long or big for you, you can possibly use extra short or extra walking short, branded or not branded, underwear or not underwear, bikini type or not. The important you can use, instead you throw or donate your stuffs like this. For me, it's short or important in my waist is fits, no problem. So for now, I cut it, instead useless in the house or become mess. So that's it, my decision. So for me, is save your money, instead go to tailoring to cut that, or fancy cut, no need for me. Okay, I made that rugged. I can use a rugged, formal or casual only. Go to church or not go to church. The important you can use it, instead stack it a lot, like my collection pants, shoes, and new clothes or etc etc. So for me, I always using now all my stuffs, even necessary and unnecessary. So for me, same like this, I cut it, that's it, because it's too tight to my legs and my my legs. Okay, so the worst scenario, do it correctly and use it, instead keep it. Okay, so that's it for tonight, guys. So subscribe and click notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel for this week. Okay, see you guys. Just click the button and then for notification bell for upcoming latest video for today, and subscribe. That's the most important, Lord. That's the most important for me. Okay, so that's all for guys. I hope you like it. See you.